So I'm going to be giving you a tour of Films on Demand. Films on Demand has about 2,800 medical films that you can look at. And it's really handy if maybe you're trying to research anatomy and physiology, for example, because you can actually just see videos on that kind of subject. So this is the Films on Demand site, and then we'll be putting in our username and password. If you don't have this information, you can ask the librarian or your instructor, but you are given this login during your first library orientation. So let's log in. So here is the search box up top, and there's different search options. Search options we're interested in are searching by segments and titles. Actually, segments and titles are the best search options. I'll show you why. So let's go ahead and search nervous system. This is where the search shows up and some past searches too. You can use these if you want. Let's go ahead and just do this search. So now we have video segments. These segments are usually 2 to 3 minutes long. It's good to use these when you want to just get a kind of short overview of the topic that you're interested in. So let's go ahead and try a search by title. It's going to be a little different. So again, the same search, nervous system. And here we go. So these are actually full videos if you search by title. So you can see that obviously they're a bit longer. And let's give it a try here. We're going to look at this one video to kind of show some features. So this video has the segments that we were searching in before, and you can choose any segment you want, or you can just play the whole video from the start. So let's start over. I'm going to show you something different. So let's try a different kind of search. We're going to be searching by browsing the collection. So let's click this link for health and medicine. This is like an index to all of the videos in the collection, and you can expand these. So let's try the one for healthcare and treatment. So you see this index expands and we can try different subjects inside it. Let's try medications. These are first coming up by title, like our second search. So these are of course full videos. You can do this browsing if you really want to explore a topic or find new connections and maybe find a few new things along the way. You can also change to searching or browsing by segments. So we get rid of series here and we switch to segments. And just like we had before, we have these short segments, about 3 minutes long versus the full videos. So this concludes our tour of Films on Demand. Happy searching!